Tired of your child's tantrums? Learn how to manage and promote healthy emotional development in your child in just 30 seconds. Controlling a child's tantrum may not always be possible, but here are some yoga, mindfulness and quick tips that has helped me.
First, try to calm yourself down. Start by taking deep breaths or techniques like belly breathing to stay calm. You can also try to teach your child to take deep breaths with you with some creative breathing like balloon breathing or flower breathing. You can do this together to help your child calm down and regulate their emotion. Once you feel calm and relaxed, you can also validate your kid's feeling. Let your child know that you understand why they're upset. This can help them feel heard and validated. If your child starts to calm down during a tantrum, you can offer verbal praise like "Great job calming down" or "I'm so proud of you for handling your emotions." You can also give them a hug to reinforce positive behavior. Other than this, what has worked for me is also to try positive affirmations in these situations. I am calm and peaceful. I can handle this situation, to promote positive thinking. You can also offer choices. Giving your child choices can help them feel like they have some control over the situation. For example, you can ask them if they want to take a break or have a snack. You can also redirect their attention. Try to distract your child by offering a new activity or a toy to focus on. And last but not the least, you can try practicing yoga regularly for yourself and for kids. It can help kids develop self-regulation skills, which can help them manage their emotions more effectively. So remember to stay calm, validate your kids' feelings, use positive reinforcement, or try other options to help control your child tantrums. With a little practice, you can turn tantrums into teachable moments and promote healthy emotional development in your child.
It is important to remember that tantrums are a normal part of childhood development, and sometimes it might take more than 30 seconds to calm your child down. So be patient, and if your child tantrums are severe and more frequent, maybe it will be helpful to seek guidance from a pediatrician or a child development specialist. Namaste and enjoy this beautiful journey with your kids.